In this video, we demonstrate how an operator uses our straddle model to load and unload a pallet into a semi-trailer. With Innolift, we offer open bottom loaders and straddle loaders, with 14 models available from Friendix USA. Our lifts make your deliveries faster, safer, and easier. Notice how only one operator is needed. After delivery, the lift can be easily reloaded onto the truck, thanks to our unique counterbalance system. Our lifts are built to the highest European standards and come with a 1-year limited warranty.